Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Opera GX. Make sure it's updated so private features behave predictably. Once done, go to the main menu and choose New Private Window, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open it instantly. You do this to separate local session data. Private windows isolate cookies and search history from normal browsing. Make sure to close any regular tabs first, because open windows can share sign-ins. This first step gets you into an environment that won't write standard history to your profile. Once the private window is open, tighten protections. Toggle the GX VPN from the address bar to mask your IP and choose a region if needed. Next, enable the Ad Blocker and Block Trackers option in settings to reduce third-party cookies and fingerprinting. This improves privacy and speeds loading. Also, review extensions. Opera disables some by default, but any active extension can leak data, so disable those that access pages. These steps control what data the window can generate and share To finish, close all private windows. That action clears session cookies and in-memory storage for that session. If you signed into accounts, sign out first to prevent persistent logins. Make sure the private icon appears in the window frame so you know it's active. If you later see saved history or unexpected sign-ins, check Opera Sync, turn it off if needed, disable or remove suspect extensions, and verify there's no system-level logging or parental software capturing activity. That troubleshooting covers the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.